Well, it is a wheat beer. There's no doubt about that. Very light. The hops are beating out the spice, and the hops. Well, no, they're getting along. It's a very delicate beer, actually. So, does it meet expectations? Well, it is definitely the Nitro for sure. That knocked it out of the ballpark. And the Belgian-Style Wheat, well, sure. It is a standard Belgian-Style wheat with some Nitro and an interesting way of pouring it. So does it meet expectations? Yes, it does. If you enjoyed this presentation, please click on the subscribe button and the bell. That way you won't miss any of our presentations. Share us with your friends. A comment would be really appreciated. I'm Pete LaFrance, the Old Growler, hoping all of your beers meet expectations.